money.
Okay, so
Go for the money.
now we're talking, don't you? So okay, you're gonna pick the envelope. All the envelope have something inside.
Where's the money?
Okay? Hold, Jan, put it back, Jan. Okay, now. All right, we're gonna start from Daniel first. Shh. Okay.
Okay, we pick the number.
Can you quiet? Hey, move. Okay. Listen.
Let me go first.
No, hold on. Okay, are you... Okay, Steven, go move now, Steven. All right, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna pick one ticket here, and you're not picking anything yet. And I will call you who's number one when everybody have a ticket and go on top. Pick the envelope or the big bag. When you pick it, don't open it yet. Listen, are you listening? You're not opening your envelope. Everybody, we're gonna open the envelope at the same time. Okay? All right. Okay, I go with Steven first. Pick your number. Look up. I'm not telling you. All right, pick one. Tell me what's your number, okay? Tell me the number that you pick. Don't drop the ticket. Just one. Just one. What number?
This is one.
You're the first one. Okay, pick one. And hold on, not yet. He pick, but don't open it. Pick one. Don't open it. You pick everybody at the same time. David, you need more glasses.
You have 5 seconds. 1, 2,
You're so...
3,
Pick one. Okay. Whoever got the number 6 probably will get the bag. They want.
You're not supposed to keep looking like that. You're cheating.
It's okay. They cannot. Okay, don't open it. Okay, next. No. Okay, next. Don't open your envelope later. No, you like that, don't you? That's why I don't buy presents no more. I want you to do the game first. Okay, pick one. Woo!
5 seconds.
Number 2. No.
1, 2,
Sister, dapat nandun ka rin. Tama mga anak ko, ito patawag ng pang-atensyon. Ay, okay, pick your envelope. Merry Christmas, Dom Tita Maria Lucille. All right, pick one. Okay. All right, okay. Daniel, next. Pick your number, Daniel. Okay. Number 5, you're next later. Okay, John.
Give me number 3, please.
Don't look. Go up. Look up. All right. Number. All right, John, pick one. Pagdating sa pera. Hindi nila alam kung zero laman ng envelope. Okay, don't open it yet. Wait, or else I'm gonna take it away from Daniel. Ashley, pick one.
6.
Wow, 6.
Ito, hold on, princess. Princess! No, you never know. Sister, envelope na lang pick upin mo. Pare mo.
I didn't do lottery ticket. That was
May 5 yan.
Number 4.
4, okay, Tita Joy. Tita Joy, mukhang pere. Okay, Daniel, your turn. What do you want? Sorry, Ashley. That's yours, Ashley, the bag. Okay. Shh. Listen. You're not, the person who's gonna open the envelope is the number 1. No, not yet. Number 1. Daniel, Jan. Okay, Steven first, number 1. Ashley, later. Okay, how much? Look. All right, so $40. It's fixed, boom. Okay, next.
Oh, 420. Wait, what?
Okay, 40. Who's next? Number 3.
1.
That's it. All right, Daniel, Tita Joy. Tita Joy, naku.
What?
80. Okay, Daniel, you're next. Magaling tayo, Tita Joy. Okay, next. Don't break it, Daniel. How much? 60. Woo! Merry Christmas, guys. And Ashley, that's you. Okay, Ashley, show what you got. Give it to your man, whoever your boyfriend. Give it to Kyle.
I'll buy it for
What
my
is
dog.
this, Mom?
Socks! That's why, that's for the boys. All right. So, Daniel, you want to switch with Ate Ashley? Give the money and you get the jacket?
Oh no.
All right.
Alright, Daniel, give me
All right. Are you happy?
20 so I can buy you the game.
I'll keep the jacket.
No, I'm just kidding.
I like the jacket.
Daniel, let me hold your money and I keep it for you. For your bank account.
Professional.
No, I have a bank account for you, Anak. Give me your money. Sige na. Mama, remember we're best friends. Keep secret. We don't keep secret. We don't keep secret. Okay. All right. Merry Christmas, everyone. God bless you. That's it.